How to fix PS5 error when downloading. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll guide you on how you can fix PS5 error when downloading. So make sure to watch the video till the very end. So if you'd like to fix your PS5 error whenever you're downloading something, it's actually quite simple. First of all, downloading requires internet connection. So make sure to go to your network settings and just try to check settings. Try to go to set up internet connection and make sure your network is working just fine, which could basically be your Wi-Fi or your wired LAN cable. After you've made sure of that, it could also be due to lack of storage on your device. So go to storage and make sure that you have enough storage to download the game that you're actually trying to download. And after you've done that also, then you can just come back over here, and then once you come back, what you want to do is, if you're having issues downloading this particular game, make sure to actually cancel the download and then re-download it again. So press the options button, try to click the delete option here. Once you click the delete option, make sure to cancel the download, and then after that, go to your PlayStation Store and then just try to re-download that game again from the very beginning. Hope this video helped you as to how you can fix PS5 error when downloading content. Hope this video is very helpful. If you have got any questions, then feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching and see you soon in the next video.